Hello guys, and welcome to Paint with Mark. Today I'm so excited. Today I've got my Starlink internet dish delivered. Just here guys. Starlink box delivered. So we're going to get the unboxing. So this is what you get in the Starlink box. So the unboxing. Open the box up. So we've got some instructions there. And inside here, move away the packing. And then you can see we've got the dish. We've got the router, the power pack, and a little tiny base. Fantastic. So let's get this out, some instructions. So let's get this all out of the box and set up. And there we are guys, this is what speeds I'm getting at the moment. Ping 15 seconds, 24 download speed and 6.70 upload speed, and this is using Vodafone. They're all pretty much the same here. Change this to Starlink, refresh the browser, see what we get. Look at the difference there guys. Hope you can see that. 80, and this is on Wi-Fi. Fantastic. I'm so happy with the results I'm getting first time going. Look at this upload speed, 9, 10, 12, 13. This is going to help me so much uploading my YouTube videos. This 23, this is just, look at that, 30 mega, over 31 megabytes upload speed guys. That's the difference. It's well worth the money.